Hello, this is Jerome Srillia, and today I'm going to share to you these postcards which I received today. Thank you, Mr. Postman. So come, let's get closer, let's have fun. So this one is from Malaysia. Yeah, she wrote a lot of things here. There you go. I like these stamps. This is from Kelantan, Malaysia. Nice. Yeah, this is a bowl of noodles, I think. The next one is, I think is also, no, this is from the United States. This is Los Angeles. But tingnan mo naman, meron siyang paper here. I think ito yung ginamit ng post office sa barcode nila. Baka pwede naman dito. Actually, meron din nga dito sa harap eh. Tabunan na niya. Sure. Next one is, this is Chinese theater. Yeah. Meron din naman siyang papel. At the back, wala. And he wrote a lot of things here. Usually, I don't read them. Pero, basahin na rin natin. Yung forever, this is really old stamp. And this one, I think, is older. 2018, right? Next, this one is galing sa Malaysia. Inaano niya sa akin to. Lagi niya fina-follow up kung na-receive ko na. Sabi ko, hindi pa. Lagi hindi. Right? From Malaysia. Meron siyang rickshaw. Is this a bridge? Central Market. Pero para siyang kite. Central Market. Yeah. National Museum. Malaysian Fruits. Petronas Twin Tower. Kuala Lumpur Tower. Sultan Abdul Samad Building. Yeah, sana makapunta ako sa Malaysia. This one is, yung first ko nakita to, is it looks like a temari. In Japanese, right? Pero no, this is an Utah folk arts. At nagusto ko itong Year of the Snake na na stamp. Wonderful. Okay. This one naman is so panalo. Tingnan mo naman, dito mismo tinatak. Pero pwede naman dito sa loob. Ay sa likod. This is from Belgium. Nice, huh? Isa pa to, crazy. Dito talaga itinatak ng post office, di ba? This is from Germany. Is this this is a sticker. Yeah. Wonderful. Next, those look like a trading card. Ang cute, no? Si Pokemon at saka si Mario pinagsama. Mario Pikachu. Actually, this is a mini meetup card. There you go. It's from the USA. Nice. Ito, matagal ko tong hinintay. This is from Kazakhstan. Kailan pa ba sinento? Nakalagay dito, ano to, 11, 20, November 18 lang niya sinend. Pero, nag-trade kami way back August pa. Hindi niya isinend out kagad, kaya matagal ko rin na-receive. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. Then, yung ano sa kasagsakan. Mukha nga siyang Chinese eh. Pero post-crossing meet-up card daw siya. Yeah, meet-up card nga. Kasi may mga ano. I'm not so sure kung meet-up card talaga to. Seryo. Yeah. Isa pa to. If you can notice, halos pareho yung mga tatak. But it doesn't matter. Hindi ko pala na ano to. Isn't it nice? A dog with his puppy. And lastly, this is a Christmas meetup card. Happy Horse Year Meetup. November 2025, Taiwan. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.